Good morning guys, so right now we are in Tulambeng. We are going to snorkel a little bit and we paid 16,000 per person the entrance fee, and we should see some shipwreck here under the water, so we are ready to go. We just rented snorkels and everything for 100,000 rupiah just right here, and we have also our private driver. We paid from Candidasa to come here for full day with petrol, with everything, for 500,000 rupiah. So let's go to dive. Right now we are in Amed. We are going to snorkel again. We just rented also the snorkeling complete for 100,000 rupiah, and we are going here. It should be some buildings here, so let's see if we can do it. It's very nice beach. It's like black beach, so let's see how it's underwater. We went from Amed snorkeling. It wasn't so good because the water, it wasn't so clear and it was strong current there. So right now we are going to visit Water Palace. So it's looking very nice here. It should be some temples or something like this. So let's see. We have next beautiful day in Bali, and we are going to visit Tukad Cepung waterfalls. It should be some nice canyon with waterfalls, so I hope it will be very nice and many water, because right now it's like not rainy season. We booked a driver with car to take us here from Candidasa for 500,000 rupiah, so it's good price, I suppose. So let's see how it looks inside. We just came to Yellow Waterfalls. This is the beginning. You have to climb a little bit, and it should be some very nice waterfalls, like maybe two or I don't know how many of them, but the nature here is very nice. You have to pay entrance 20,000 rupiah per person, so let's see how it looks here. morning everybody! We have next beautiful day in Bali and today we are in beautiful Tegallalang rice terraces. It's very early in the morning, it's like 6:15 a.m. and we are still waiting for the sunrise because it should be very nice sunrise here, and we are going down there because it's like walking path and it's leading to there, maybe somewhere there, up there, so let's go! Right now we are on Bali swing. It's some nice swings here. It's very big, it's very beautiful, but you have to pay here $35 for entrance. So we said it will be not worth it for $35 per person. So we are going somewhere else. So see you there. We just came to Monkey Forest in Ubud and we paid 50,000 per person, the entrance fee, and I hope it will be very nice. You have to be careful again with the monkeys. Don't take your sunglasses or earrings or something what they can steal, because last time we've been in Ulwat temple, they stole my sunglasses and I get them back from the local, so it was fine, but maybe you will have something expensive and you cannot get it back, so be careful. So let's see how it looks like here.